Shalom Lekulam, Chafetz Chaim Nitumzanna. The Chafetz Chaim has stated and proven beyond doubt that the sin of Lashon Hara, which was the cause of the Second Temple destruction, is the factor which up to this day has prevented us from being redeemed through Messiah's arrival. Tuni change Chafetz Chaim in hoita ei pot chat pidan dungzui wa chu pham tiale Lashon Hara ji a hi temple tuni change hung ke temple second temple su se hin chura hi ji ta yang chu tu change Messiah hung nai lo hi ti pa cha ke chen the tai ti cha Lashon Hara ti pa cha he so ke chen job khale ke sai set tu na hi Lashon Hara ti cha hena het da bang khawale. The question is atudo chu pham tiale ibidinga why. How could this one sin be so destructive? Ibidinga his Lashon Hara say pa hi bolai banga hi phalo hi dem. To understand the severity of Lashon Hara and its ramification, one must first understand the judicial system in heaven, through which the Jewish people are judged. Hichisu he thain dingwa Lashon Hara na sat dan aphat lo dan he thain dingwa chu ama intil phalo an thun sa zo dan tha he thain dingwa chu wana thu ki tan dan lampi ibti Jews te hungke Jews te hi ibti chunga hi chung thu ibti ki tan jiam di pa chu he chet masat ngai hi. Chafetz Chaim explains Chafetz Chaim in din ahil chen hi that the heavenly judicial process initiated by the words which Jews speak in this world. Wana thu ki tan dan hi itabang ham te ale Jews on chlai lai set chunga kam chang a tha do dan nu zuya thu ki tan ji hi ti. Our negative conversation are the key which opens up a door for Satan to prosecute. Eho in kam chang phalo hung ki do ho he ti so Satanin eho chunga thil phalo thu phalo Satanin a phalo ti se dam korna te kana banga chu kor khat taw te chon na ina hi mini hung kinel hon ta chu mi khat pa chon chi pa ya phat lo dan hi ti phalo thu phalo sei jo pate court judge pa ko ma chma banga chu Satani nong ho chunga issues te chung chang thu a pathen ko ma thil phalo aki pal thu thei wa sei ji ho hi pham tiale ho ya kuna hung ki panham tiale zeus ho in a kam chang phalo hla do wa kuna hi ti chu as the her states the har aksut ma bangin parsat slak this sin Lashon Hara chon set na hin brings plague, sword and murder to this world. Kill chule chamjam chule khale khat ki tha to na hi hoya kuna hung ki panji ham tiale chila Lashon Hara kuna he ti zarin. Woe to those who ever can use civil force. Itabang tha phalo hin pando a Lama chu gaw sap chang hen ti chu who do not guard their tongues and pay no heed to this. Hitabang hichi alai akam chang veng lo wa chule Lashon Hara phat modan chung chang thu khosa lo ho chu gaw sap chang hen ti. So they do not realize that the ways of heaven are reflective of the ways of this world, both for good and bad. A hello zu pham ta leiset chunga thilchi dan dung zu ya chu wana yong thilchi hin wana thilchi dan dung zu yong chu leiset chunga thilchi hin chule leiset chunga thilphai bol le wana yong hashemin yong wana ai ho chunga chitan hoi aphalanga atan jiwa leiset chunga thilphalo bola le wan chunga yong thilphalo wa thong chi ji he ti chu e pa chu hello wa he ti chu. Through evil talk his thilphalo hung ki sei to akona chu sei akona Satan is aroused. Satan hung ki tho do ji in to voice accusation against the entire world. Wanui le se chung pi thu dola pathen ko ma thphalo sei dinga hung ki pan do ji he tai ti chu. In this vein in this way, the Chafetz Chaim explains that teaching Arachin hichi chung chang thu a hi Chafetz Chaim in a hil now win Arachin 15b in tin ase na him Gemara, whoever speaks Lashon Hara say yosi chu raises sins to the heaven. Van chung gaya chonse no ho akai to ji hi chu. Should be it's chung sang thu hi Chafetz Chaim say dan dung chu should be taken literally. Aki sun dan jo imacha te ka thum lo hela adi chara say aki to chana imacha te ka thum lo hela apet pena he theding dola ai sai pi o hi ati cha tu hung sai cha Lashon Hara hung sai hin wana chonse na achoi to ji he ti cha. When we speak negatively of our fellow Jews, mi khatsun is that on khompi hong en say setting ta le this causes the sin of our people to be noted in heaven. Hecha kuna chu iso pite ho imi pite ho chon set no ho chawana asu lut sa ji hi this causes the sins of the world to be done in heaven, where they are brought before the heavenly throne for judgment. It's on set now ho chu wana leng lalto na masang hung ki choi lut ji a. We think we are merely chatting when in reality we are delivering the day's case load to Satan. Asai dan chu pham dale mi kha chun e ho chun mo sai kam sang mo hla do dan wa ki gyal mai thei wa hin a hin la ta wang chu pham dale Satanin e ho chung thu dola thu phalo pathen ko ma ga sai ding ho yo se chu hoi ta wa suitcase itun tup set pe wa pe satan chu khona chu ka koilut pe he ti cha the Hafez Chaim offers a second reason why the Lashon Hara is so amazing. Hafez Chaim in ahil chat na ani chan na ibola hi si Lashon Hara hi bola hi pang moham ti pa chu ani chan na ai pe win hi ti so je because Lashon Hara utilizes this power of speech to do its damage. It corrupts this facility to prevent our Torah and Tefillah from sending heavenward. Hitzihin Lashon Hara hung kisay pahin ikamu hung kisay do yo si hi asu set je hi na so ikamu wa ikam chang hung pot do it's ikam chang tha asu set je hi na so hitzihin pititam tiale ikam chang hung set ting tale Torah sim ho chula itaw naman ho chu van junga kal to thai zero hi tai ti cha the Hafez Chaim envisions the secret words that pour forth from a mouth corrupted by Lashon Hara. Ipesam tiale Hafez Chaim chun ikamchang wa kuna Lashon Hara sai jing khat mi kamchanga kuna thu theng kal to ho chu tabang ham ti pa chu an sai ri ta chu an amu thei ji e ti chu pi amu thei ham he sees them heading towards our heavenly bank account but never quite getting there. Amu chu phiam tiale hi chi itaw na ho chule torasim na ho cha bonds ka kal to ji wa na bank account ho dang cho zo ziu a hi wanga but never quite getting there ai wanga hlung thei mo mong ji lo a he ti chu we believe that we have accomplished something spiritual but that's not what happened igel dan wa chu Lashon Hara na sai zo wa tora nang kasim ta chu tora sim pa chu ko tora sim mi chu a hi hlung de te an gel mai thei chu ai wanga hi poi hi chu hlung lo hi li kal to nan hi la hlung poi the Hafez Chaim says all the words of Torah and Tefillah are hanging somewhere between heavens and the earth suspended in the air tua na taw na ho chu la tora sim na ho yo si chu Hafez Chaim pita Lashon Hara aki sizing mi khat chun ataw na hole Tefillah Torah sim ho chu vana leiset to van ki ka hui la ata chu mun khana ki lat den ji hitai ti chu amun hlung ji lo he concludes hitia sai China sim na chu if our Torah and Tefillah are not being credited to us Torah sim hole Tefillah bol taw na man ho chu e ho aga e ki pe lo ding wa hial then from where will be acquired the necessary to bring Messiah and final redemption stile hoya kuna he Torah sim wa chule Tefillah bol taw na bol ho akuna chi ho aga chu pathin ai pe lo wa hi ale hoya kuna e ho in Messiah hung na ding to hadam na ki chai na pen pa chu imu theina diu lam pi choya kuna ki hol diu tam ti cha ya cha tu dunya ji lo thei pi pen ta Lashon Hara chung chang thungen chang hin ten ale khabu pum pi he ya cha aki ti ha ki hat be che thein ding ven chung chang thu a chu lai kam event thei che ding wa semin wang ibu pi chu henole to daraba